Vincent's collection team, we worked with great excitement and care to create this magnificent mega square table. Here is a detailed guide outlining each step of this process. Selection, sizing, and cleaning of the wood. When selecting the olive trees that form the foundation of our table, quality and character were paramount. We carefully chose sturdy and aesthetically pleasing trees from the forests. We then sized, cut, and shaped them to our desired form. We took special care to preserve the natural beauty of each piece. The foundation of a good table comes from quality wood material. When choosing wood, opt for visually appealing and durable trees. Species like olive wood, known for their hardness and durability, are ideal for table construction. The color, pattern, and texture of the wood are also crucial. We selected wood that is visually appealing and harmonious with the overall design of the table. For example, the natural veins and patterns of olive wood give the table a unique look. Select wood pieces that match the dimensions and thickness required for the table. Typically, thicker and sturdier pieces are preferred for the table's top, while thinner pieces can be used for the legs. Precision measurements and careful cutting are essential. We measured and cut the selected wood to fit our desired dimensions. Using a table saw, we ensured clean and accurate cuts for straight edges. However, for this table, we left some edges in their natural form. When cutting the pieces, ensure they are of the same thickness for even and balanced assembly.
benim için de çok. Sonra o bir aya kadar.
preparation of epoxy, resin, and pouring between wood pieces. To achieve the unique and modern appearance of our table, we used epoxy resin. This material provides an excellent bond between wood pieces and gives the table a transparent and glossy surface. Mixing it with the hardener in the right proportions, we prepared the epoxy and poured it between the wood pieces, allowing it to dry. This process requires some patience, as working with this fantastic material takes a bit of time. However, the results are definitely worth the wait. CNC Processing. To ensure our table has precise and flawless shapes, we proceeded with CNC, computer numerical control, processing. Transmitting the special design from our computer to the machine, we meticulously processed every detail of the table. The CNC machine, working sharply and precisely, shaped our table exactly as we desired. CNC technology is a lifesaver for achieving a completely uniform and professionally shaped square mega table. Do you know exactly how CNC processes are done? What is CNC? CNC is a computer-controlled machining method. In this method, special machines controlled by computer programs are used to cut, drill, or shape the material. CNC machines are known for their ability to perform precise and repeatable operations. Steps of CNC processing. 1. Design. The first step is to create the design of the table. Using computer-aided design, CAD software, the shape and dimensions of the table are determined. Design details are adjusted according to the material type and characteristics of the parts to be processed. 2. Programming. After completing the design, a processing program is created for the CNC machine. This program tells the CNC machine what to do by step following the design. During the programming process, cutting paths, speeds, and other processing parameters are determined. 3. Material preparation. Before starting CNC processing, the material must be properly prepared. In this step, it is ensured that the wood or other materials to be cut for the table are of the correct dimensions and smoothness. The material is fixed or attached to the processing table of the CNC machine. 4. Processing. The CNC program is loaded and the start command is given to the machine. The machine automatically performs the programmed cutting and drilling operations. Thanks to precise control mechanisms, each cutting operation is performed exactly according to the specified dimensions and tolerances. 5. Monitoring and adjustments. During CNC processing, the operator monitors the process and adjusts the machine settings if necessary. Especially in complex or detailed operations, operator intervention may be required. The machine is regularly checked to ensure it stays in the correct position during processing. 6. Finishing and control. After CNC processing is completed, the process parts are carefully checked. Any errors or deficiencies are corrected if detected. Finally, a final check is made to ensure the quality and accuracy of the processed parts. CNC processing is an ideal method for producing precise and complex parts. Being computer-controlled ensures repeatability and accuracy, resulting in high-quality results. Sanding and polishing process. We applied CNC processes to smooth the surface of our table. These steps were crucial for improving the appearance and texture of our table. At each stage, we worked carefully and meticulously to achieve the smoothness we desired. The first step is to select the appropriate sandpaper. Depending on the type of wood surface and the condition of the area to be processed, we use sandpapers with different grit sizes. Before starting the process, we selected the appropriate sandpaper and mounted it on the sanding machine. We started sanding the wood surface slowly and evenly by moving the machine. We made sure not to move the machine too fast to avoid leaving marks or grooves on the wood surface. During the sanding process, we moved the machine evenly over the surface to achieve a smooth result. After sanding, we cleaned the surface to remove any remaining sawdust and debris. A clean surface ensures a more effective polishing process. We applied the polishing compound to the wood surface using an appropriate cloth or applicator. By spreading the polish evenly over the surface, we achieved a uniform coating. We could apply the polish in circular motions or in the direction of the wood grain. During the drying and polishing stage, we waited for the polishing compound to fully penetrate the wood surface. As a result, each part of our table gives a pleasant feeling when touched. To complete our table, we proceeded with the polishing process. In this step, we used a special polish to give our table a unique shine and protection. Then we attached sturdy and stylish legs to the bottom of our table. These legs ensure the stability and solid support of our table. As a result, when our table was completed, it became both visually elegant and functional. As the Vincent's Collection team, we worked diligently and carefully at each step of making this table, and as a result, we created a fantastic piece. By following these steps, you can create unique and special pieces for your own projects.